Hey guys, Carter the Boss 123 is back. This time, I'm gonna troll some villagers. Well, the first method I have to troll villagers is this right here. First, you build something like this. Well, try to make it better than mine. Mine sort of sucks. Anyways, then you spawn some villagers, however many you want. Oh wait, oh my god, I glitched you again. Sorry about that. I'm like really glitching a lot. Anyways, spawn a bunch of villagers, then spawn zombies. Yes, zombies. They will kill all the villagers. Oh, I saw a butter armored one there. See? Butter. Yes, they're all gonna die. Just watch them. Watch them die. What the villager do? No, I don't want to trade you. I can't give him. Wow. What a derp. Just want some more zombie. No, actually, I don't want it. Oh, he's the only one. And he died. Well, that's the first method. And my second method is this over here. Well, first you build something like this. And then you spawn a bunch of villagers in here. Like a whole bunch. This might take a minute. Look at all of them. Wait a few more, and okay. Then break this block, and they go everywhere. Then they set off the TNT, and then boom, death. And my last one, I need to use creepers for. Yeah, that was really stupid. Yeah. Oh my god. Stop interfering with my video. It's lagging. Okay. My third method is gonna be spawn some villagers. And then spawn some creepers. First I need oh my god, it's glitching out again. I hate when it does that. It just keeps on moving me in a direction that I don't want. Well, I need a bed. Set time night. So set time night. Time set night. Okay, there. Now I just need to sleep in bed. Z. And now, maybe spawn a few more of these guys. And now, put a chest. Because I don't want to lose this boss, this sword, and this boss and this bow. So. Okay, let's do this. Hopefully it works out okay. Oh my god. Oh yes. See, that's how you do it. Then just go back in. Do it another time. well, yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so, yeah, and that's how 3 ways to troll villagers. Oh, yeah. Wanna go? Wanna go? Hey, come back here. Oh my god. Stupid villagers. I hate them so much. Anyways, like and subscribe.